Hi everyone. Today in the shop we have a 16 Lexus IS. This car came in with a really common problem. Radio was doing all kinds of strange behavior. Navigation was freezing. You couldn't tune a radio station. This is a really common problem in these cars that we're starting to see all the time, where internal electronic boards of the head unit start to go bad. So what we did here, we sent this one out and had it rebuilt. We can usually accomplish doing that for about half to a third of the cost of what a dealer would charge. These radios can be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 from Lexus directly, so we can usually save our customers a lot of money. In addition, if we flip and look at the screen, now that everything's operating nicely, we also installed an integrated CarPlay kit to upgrade this Lexus to modern technology. So if you've got a late model Lexus, either with a really weird radio problem, or a lot of times they just go bad and don't power up at all, we can usually help you with that in the Philadelphia area, save you a lot of money, and also update it to modern technology with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto.